Hello everyone, hi, my name is Weltha, and today we're going to make some fish. So come on, let's make some salmon. Come cook with me. Okay you guys, so the ingredients that we're going to use today is the salmon fish. We're going to need some lemons, lemon juice, cornstarch, heavy cream, and some green beans for the side dish. So come on, let's get cooking. Okay you guys, so here's the salmon fish. Okay, so now we're just gonna season it. And with my fish, I don't like to put too many spices on my fish. So when I use salmon, when I cook salmon, I just like to put some lemon pepper on it first. So yeah, the lemon pepper with no salt. So I'll do that first. And then I like to get some ground red pepper. Okay, and then I'll just get the regular salt and just put a pinch of salt because I don't like too much salt. Okay. So just a pinch of salt. Okay, and then I'll flip it over and do the same thing. I know most people don't eat the skin anyways, but still, I'll still season it. And I'm only cooking just this little amount because my daughter doesn't like fish. So more for me. No, she don't like fish at all now. Okay. All right, now that's all the seasoning that I'm gonna put on the salmon because I don't like my fish to have too much spice on it. Okay, so now let's go to the stove. Okay, so now let's go to the stove and cook the salmon. Okay, so we're over at the stove. So now we're gonna put some oil in the skillet. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so now you grab your fish. Let's let the oil get hot first. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the fish, the salmon fish. Put that one down. Okay, let me put that one down. Okay, so I just like to cook my fish like this. So I just put a little oil in the skillet and I'll just toss it around until the fish is ready. And that lemon, I like the lemon seasoning on my salmon because it tastes so good, like you squeeze the lemon on it. So, and the sauce that I'm going to make is going to be like a lemon sauce also. Okay, so we just let that cook for a little bit until it starts to turn golden on the other side. And how I can tell when my fish is ready, my salmon, is because when you cook it, when it's cooked, the pink turns a little bit lighter, like after you cook it. So you just let it cook on that side until you see the color changing. Okay? And then over to the side, you guys, I'm cooking my green beans. that's gonna be my side dish, because I'm not gonna film it because the fish is the star of this show today. Not the green beans, so I'm only gonna film the fish cooking, okay? But my side dish will be the green beans, but you guys can make whatever side dish you want. Okay, so the salmon is the star of this show today, so I didn't want to share the spotlight with the salmon doesn't want to share the spotlight. Okay, so just let that cook for a little bit until you see the colors on the side. It's starting to get a little whiter on the side. That's when you know your fish is cooking. Okay, so let's let it cook for a few more minutes, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 4 minutes. So we're gonna flip it over. Okay, you see that? That's the way I want it to look. Oh, I love salmon. This is my favorite fish to eat. My all-time favorite fish to eat. If I had to choose one thing to eat every single day that I wouldn't get tired of, because I usually get tired of eating the same thing twice, like after the second day. But with salmon, I think I could eat it every day, as long as I had a nice salad with it. I love salmon. Okay, so just let it cook. You see the colors? See the fish got lighter, like a lighter pink? That's when you know it's ready. You want mine to be just a little bit crispy. Just a little bit. I'm gonna make some sauce to put on it. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so just let it cook for like maybe 4 minutes or so. Just 5 minutes would be good. Okay, you guys. So the fish is ready. See, it's flaky. Nice and flaky, so it's ready. Alright, so we're gonna take it out and put it in a plate. And then we're gonna make the sauce for it, okay? Okay, so what we're gonna need for the lemon sauce is some lemon juice and some heavy cream. We're also gonna need some butter, and let's get cooking. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna make the sauce. So first I'm gonna put half stick of butter. And I put my stove, it's on medium right now, but I'm gonna turn it slightly up. Okay, so that's the butter. Then let the butter melt. And I don't have to make too much sauce because I'm just making enough for my meal. Because my daughter doesn't like fish. So I'm not gonna make too much sauce. So that's my only problem with cooking is measurements. Because I'm used to cooking for a lot of people, but now I don't have to cook for a lot. So sometimes I overcook, but it's okay. So I'll just use it or give it away. Someone always wants to eat. So I know I'll always have someone to give it to. Okay. So I put 1 cup of heavy cream just now. Just 1 cup because I'm not making a lot. So we're gonna let that come to a boil. And while it's doing that, we're gonna put some parsley flakes. Okay, and then I'm gonna get my lemon juice. Shake it up. If I had enough lemons, I would have used the fresh lemons, which I might squeeze those little lemons that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna use a half cup of lemon juice. Just pour that in there. And just stir it all together. Do is put some I'm gonna put some cornstarch. I'm gonna use a, let's see, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then you get your whisk. Try not to have any lumps in it, because normally I would have put it in a cup before I put it in the pan, but today I'm in a rush, so just trying to get this, but it's turning out okay. It's good. Let's see. There we go. Let it get a little thicker. It gets thicker the more it cooks. Really limited. Okay. Getting thicker. Thicker. So we'll let it cook for a few more minutes and then it'll be done. Okay. You see that? See how thick it's getting? That's what I want. Making sure there's no lumps. Sometimes I add garlic to this. If I was feeling like garlic today, I would have used garlic, but today I just wanted the lemon taste. Okay. thicker. I think I like this consistency. Okay. You see that, guys? Alright. Alright, so let's turn the stove off. And let's go make a plate. Okay, you guys. Here's the salmon fish. So now let's get the plate ready. I have my green beans, they're ready. So let's put some green beans in here. Fresh green beans with butter. And then I'm gonna put my little garnish. And I'll add some lemons. And now, time for the sauce. Okay, so now let's put the sauce over it. Lemon sauce for my salmon fish. Okay, that is the lemon sauce, you guys. So we'll just put more sauce on it. I like a lot of sauce on mine. That is the lemon sauce. So, this is the meal, you guys. We have salmon fish with green beans and lemon sauce. And that is the meal. There you have it. Salmon fish with lemon sauce and green beans. There you have it. There you have it. Salmon with lemon sauce and green beans. There you have it. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll see you next week.